Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add background music to WordPress website. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in WordPress, you might want to click on the Get Started button. Now, creating an account here is a straightforward and very easy process. You can continue with your Google account, your Apple account, your GitHub, and you can log in via app. Click on Continue button, and you're all set. Adding a background music to your WordPress website can enhance its ambience, but it's crucial to implement it thoughtfully to avoid overwhelming or irritating visitors. Now, here are the ways for anyone who wanted to add background music to your WordPress website. Now, the method one is simply, you can just go here on the Elf site. It's a WordPress background music plugin. You can implement an engaging feature to your website and draw more happy customers fast. And as you can see, you have all these features that you can edit the widget, right? And it's a plugin for WordPress. And here's the pricing for that. And if you're interested, you might want to click on the create widget, but let's dive deep in the description, because what you would have if you use Elf site is you can have a various color variations, dark light color theme, and you can embed background music on WordPress with the Elf site widget, which is like this one right here. You can continue with the template. You can simply add track in the left side corner. You can browse, of course, the audio that you're going to make, or the audio that you have already saved, or upload tracks right here. You can use this one as well. Matter of fact, you can rename the title to it's all customizable. When you click on done, as you can see, it's already added, and you would be able to see the changes taking effect real time in the subsection right here. You can drag and drop, you can play it as you want it. There's a lot that you can do from here. You can even customize this one so that it's not annoying appearing on the right side corner. You can add to website for free, and there's so many that you can use. But also, you might want to click on the pricing for now, because it's very important, right? There's a 14-day money-back guarantee, risk-free, and you can cancel anytime. And that's going to be $0 per month. You can start with the free plan. Again, you will have all these perks and benefits that you can take advantage. And all you're going to do is add to your website. Click on it. Just add to website for free. Click on it. Now, once your widget has been created, all you're going to do is sign up to embed the widget. You can continue with their Google account, continue with their Facebook, or continue with their email. Or you can simply go to plugins and search music and hit enter. And from here, you can use a lot of MP3 player that you can use on your WordPress website. You can also go to the plugins of your dashboard. And from here, all you're going to do is go to the left side panel, click on plugins, add a new plugin. Of course, you can type in music and hit enter. And from here, there's a lot of that you can use. This is maybe a music player for WooCommerce or widget music chart. And that's how you add music to your website. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.